Practice spelling the words using the different ways below. Number 1, practice spelling the words on the whiteboard. Select the word you want. The example below uses the word escape. Write each syllable on a whiteboard as you say it. S, cape. Then write the whole word and mark it up. Escape. I'll divide between the two consonants. The first vowel is closed because it is followed by a consonant, so I'll mark the vowel sound as short. The next syllable is a silent E syllable, so I'll mark the vowel sound as long and cross off the silent E. Escape. Number 2, rainbow write each word. Write the words on a blank sheet of paper, then trace over each word with a different color crayon as you say each letter. Trace 3 times using a different color each time. I will start by writing my word, escape. Then I will trace it 3 times using a different color each time. E, S, C, A, P, E, escape. E, S, C, A, P, E, escape. E, S, C, A, P, E, escape. Number 3, practice spelling the words using the Word Wizard app on the iPads for List 3G.